Good afternoon, everyone. We are the group 4 who are going to present the activity 2, which is summation notation. You know what? Summation notation or sigma notation allows us to write a long sum in a single expression. Yes, in that way, we are going to show you on how to solve it in a simple way. So, be ready and relax. Good afternoon, everyone, especially to you, sir. Today, I am going to show you on how to solve the given problem. So, here are the problems that we are going to solve in my part. So please lend me your ears so that you can understand very well. So, let us start. So, here are the given following values. So, we have 21, 45, 50, 25, 32, 16, 18, 28, 30, 40, 29, 17, 26, 14, 15, 27, 36, 16, 18, 23. So how to get the summation of EX? So, summation of EX, value which is a result of adding all the elements of X as in one column table. So, ato na siyang ipang-add tanan to get the summation of EX. So, we have 21, 45, 50, 25, and so on. So, we have 526 summation of AX. So, ana na siya kasayon. Then, let us move on to the sum of squares. So, sum of squares of variable x is the sum of all the squares of the elements of x, squaring each value of x. So, for example, 21 times 21. Pwede lagapon dyan nga times by itself. So, 21 times 21 equals 441 and so on. So, we have 15,840 sum of squares. So, move on to the square of a summation. The square of a summation of a variable, say, x, is the value as a result of squaring the summation of the variable. Since the result of our summation of EX is 526, so ato na siyang E squared. So the square of 526 is equal of 276,676. So muna siya ang result sa 526 times 526. So muna na siya. Nga na ka sayon na siya. So, thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Adrian Leonard Villano. I'm going to report about summation notation part 2. So we have the given values of x. So 21, 14, 12, 10, 25, 26, 15, 17, 10, and 8. And the given for y is 3, 6, 10, 8, 5, 5, 12, 14, 9, and 20. So, and now, we solve for summation x. So, summation x is equal to 21, 14, plus 12, plus 10, plus 25, plus 26, plus 15, plus 17, plus 10, and plus 8. So, summation x is equals to 161. And now, we solve for summation y. Summation y is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 12 plus 14 plus 9 plus 20, and summation y is equals to 95. Thank you.
Good day, sir. I'm Judith Lanzon Corpus, and here's the continuation of number 2. So, let's start. Solve for summation of x and summation of y. The summation of x is open parentheses 161 close parentheses, and the summation of y is open parentheses 95 and close parentheses. The product of sum is the value of the result of multiplying the sum of variables. So, 161 times 95 equals to 15,295, and here's the result. In the number 4, solve for summation of x and y. The sum of the product of the two variables x and y is the value which would result from the addition of the product of the value of x and y. So, here the summation of x and y. 21, open parentheses, 3 and close parentheses, plus 14, open parentheses, 6, close parentheses, plus 12, open parentheses, 10 and close parentheses, and plus 10, open parentheses, 8, close parentheses, and so on. So, 21 times 3 equals to 63. And then 14 times 6 is 84. 12 times 10, 120. 10 times 8, 80. Plus 28 times 5 is 140, plus 26 times 8 is 208, plus 15 times 12 is 180, plus 17 times 14, 238, plus 10 times 9, 90, and the last is 8 times 20 equals 160. So in this, you add the y and x. So the result is 1,363. So that's all. Thank you for listening. God bless and keep safe, everyone.
Everyone, so this is the task that given to my leader, so I need to report this. So given the table below, we have column and row. So row, we have row 1 to 5. Then column, we have column 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kaya naka-indicate na po dre ang iyang mga values sa each row and columns. So, ato na pangitaon kung unsay kanang ginapangita. So, solve what is asked below considering that r equals 1 to pj equals 1 or r, and that p equals 5 and r equals 4. So, we have the given formula here. Double summation ij equals summation of row 1 to row 5 times summation of j equals column 1 to column 5 xij. So, now after that, ato siyang i-simply put and elaborate each column and each rows. Sige, stop. So, we have here summation of I equals row 1 to row 5 times. Always remember nga kini atong x sub 1 is mao ni siya ang ato ang row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. Then, kining 1 ring nga naka-indicate is mao ni siya ang atong column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So, x sub I equals 1 plus x sub I equals 2 plus x sub I equals 3 plus x sub I equals 4. So here, para mas masabta na tog ayo, atong i-elaborate ang each rows na naay 4 columns. So, we have here row 1, column 1 plus row 1, column 2 plus row 1, column 3 plus row 1, column 4. Plus, muna siya ang row 1 na to ha. Then, plus row 2. Muna siya ang row 2. Row 2, column 1, plus row 2, column 2, plus row 2, column 3, plus row 2, column 4. Plus, here na ta sa row 3. Plus, row 3, column 1, plus row 3, column 2, plus row 3, column 3, plus row 3, column 4, so on and so forth na dayon. Until makatch up na nato si row 5 and sa yaha pong mga column. So here, after the long elaboration here, we simply put each values in each perspective ordinate. So we have sa ato ang row 1, mo ni siya ang ihang mga values sa ihang column 1 to 4. We have 21 plus 22 plus 24 plus 23 plus row 2, column 1 to 3, 4. We have 28 plus 20 plus 29 plus 26 plus row 3, 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 13 plus row 4, 24 plus 19 plus 25 plus 27 plus row 5, 22 plus 23 plus 25 plus 21. And after this, ato na dayon siyang i-add kay add man ang nakabutang diri. So i-add nato ni siya tanan ang row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. So sa row 1 equals, i-plus din natin siya tanan, equals 90. Sa row 2 plus row 2, we have 103 plus sa row 3, we have 57. Then sa row 4, we have 95. Then sa row 5, we have 91. So, after that, i-plus na po din nato ni siya tanan ang equal sa each rows. So, mo na siya. Summation, double summation xij equals 436.
Good day everyone. My name is Mark Evan Sibones, discussing on the double summation of x squared ij. Same as number 1, add all the value in every row. So, ini siya, squared man siya. So, in every number, in every value of each row, squared siya before siya pang-add. So, double summation of x squared ij is equals to summation of I equals to row 1 to row 5. Summation of j equals to column 1 to column 4 x squared ij. So, muna siya ang the given formula. So, kuha na ko siya. So, muna siyang gawas x squared sub 1 on column 1 plus x squared sub 1 in column 2 plus x squared sub 1 in column 3 x squared sub 1 in column 4. Tapos, next na pod kay x squared sub 2 in column 1. So, dito na pod. X squared sub 2 in column 2. X squared sub 2 in column 3. X squared sub 2 in column 4. And so on, so forth. So, mawala siya taman sa row 5. So, mawala siya ang mga value na nais dire. So, dire sa x squared sub 1, row 1, mawala siya nga ang 21. Squared siya. Plus 22 squared plus 24 squared plus 23. So, mo na siya ang nakuha gikan sa row 1 paingon sa row 5. So, 2,000 diri sa row 1, 2,030. Di-plus din siya sa row 2, 2,701 plus row 3, 833 plus row 4. Ang value niya is 2,291 plus 2,079. So, ang result sa double summation of x squared ij is equals to 9,934.
So, number 3. Kailangan na to pangitaon si CF. So, isolve na to si CF or cumulative frequency. Here's the formula. EIG squared over PR. Sa atong value sa double summation is 436 squared over 5 times 4. I-divide sa value of P as equals 5 and sa R equals 4. 190 096 over 20 is the final CF or cumulative frequency is 9504.8. Sa number 4 is atong isob kung pila ang total summation square. So ato rang i-minus kung pila ang double summation squared. IZ. I-minus nato sa CF nato nga E squared IG is 9.934 minus sa 9504.8. Ang total summation square nato dayon is 429.2